Hey Pash fam, I'm Chelsea and I'm back with another challenge of the week. And just like that, we are reaching the end of July. And if you haven't heard yet, we just launched applications for our new ambassador program. So if you love Passion Planner and you want to help strengthen our Pash fam community, apply now. Applications close the 31st of July. It's now or never. All right, let's get into this week's challenge. Clear your thoughts and practice visualizing achieving your goals in as much detail before going to bed. Visualization helps to activate your creative subconscious and clarify your focus. Now, I'm not a neuroscientist, nor a therapist, nor a psychologist, or a professional in this field, but I do know visualization works. And I know it's not for everyone, but as they say, you'll never know if you don't try. So the first step is clearing your thoughts. And there's this cool exercise called noting, which I learned from using Headspace. It allows you to be aware of your thoughts while also helps you to detach from them. A quick tutorial on noting: you want to get in a comfortable position and close your eyes and take like 2 or 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth 3 times. And then let your breath return back to normal and just let thoughts come. And you get a thought, you say, ooh, that's a thought. A feeling comes, ooh, that's a feeling. And you want to be gentle with it, just gentle. So that allows you to recognize these thoughts and feelings, but helps you detach from them. Sometimes I would latch on to thoughts and feelings, and next thing you know, I'm going down the craziest rabbit hole. So noting has really helped me a lot, and it really has helped me actually sleep as well. So now your thoughts are cleared, and step 2 is visualization. Think of one goal you'd like to achieve. And some guiding questions I like to use is, what would my life look like? What does my environment look like? How do I feel supported? How am I supported? How do I support others? And lastly, how do I navigate obstacles? And I love doing this whole entire exercise before going to sleep. However, try it out what works best for you. If you have any tips and tricks with visualization or helping clear your thoughts, let us know in the comments below. And I hope you have fun with this one. And always remember, Chelsea Wong believes in you.